Great morning everyone, I am Heaven Patrick Pierce Suico from the BS Ed English 3A, and this morning we will talk about a significant person in poetry, which is Ralph Waldo Emerson. Now, who is Ralph Waldo Emerson? Ralph Waldo Emerson was born on May 25, 1803 in Boston. He grew up in a religious and intellectual family which greatly influenced his thinking and values. His father was a minister, so Emerson was exposed to religious teachings and education at a very young age. Because of this background, he developed a strong interest in philosophy, religion, and literature. Emerson later studied at Harvard University, where he continued to develop his intellectual ideas. And after finishing his studies, he first worked as a minister just like his father. But later, he decided to leave the ministry and pursue a career as a writer and lecturer, which allowed him to share his philosophical ideas with a wider audience. So Ralph Waldo Emerson was an American essayist, philosopher, and poet who played an important role in shaping American thought and literature. His writings focus on ideas about individuality, nature, and spirituality. And because of his powerful essays and lectures, he became one of the most influential thinkers in American literature and philosophy. Emerson is also best known as one of the leading figures of Transcendentalism, which is a movement that emphasizes the importance of individual freedom, trusting one's own intuition, and learning from nature. And through this philosophy, Emerson encouraged people to think independently and to develop their own understanding of truth and life. So another important information about him is that when his wife Ellen Tucker died out of poor health, or more specifically out of tuberculosis, Ralph Waldo Emerson began to question his own belief, which is the Unitarianism. Now, Unitarianism is the belief wherein there is only God is only one person, which is the Godfather. It goes away from our usual Christian belief about the Holy Trinity, which is having God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Ralph Waldo Emerson began to question his own belief, and after having a moral crisis, he began to leave the church. And after leaving the ministry, Ralph Waldo Emerson began a new career as a lecturer and an essayist. He began to travel to different places to give public lectures and share his ideas about life, philosophy, and society. Emerson also wrote many essays that discuss important themes such as nature, individuality, and spirituality. His writings encourage people to trust their own thoughts and develop independent ideas. Emerson also influenced many other writers and thinkers, including Henry David Thoreau, who became one of the most important figures in American literature. And through his essays and lectures, Emerson helped shape American intellectual and literary traditions, and his ideas continue to influence readers and scholars today. Now, some of the most famous works written by Ralph Waldo Emerson include Nature, Self-Reliance, The American Scholar, and The Oversoul. These works are important because they explain Emerson's philosophical ideas about individuality, nature, and spirituality. And in these essays, he encourages people to trust their own thoughts, appreciate the importance of nature, and develop a deeper spiritual understanding of life. And through these writings, Emerson shared the main ideas of his philosophy and influenced many readers and thinkers. Now, one of the most important ideas associated with Ralph Waldo Emerson is the philosophical movement called Transcendentalism. Emerson was considered the central figure and leading voice of this movement. And Transcendentalism teaches people that they have their own wisdom and intuition that guides them in understanding truth. It also emphasizes the importance of nature, believing that nature can help people gain spiritual insight and deeper knowledge about life. And another key belief of this theory is that individuals should trust themselves and their own ideas instead of blindly following society's rules or expectations. Finally, transcendentalists believe that spiritual truth can be discovered through personal reflection, self-awareness, and by having a strong connection with nature. Now, one of the most important concepts in the philosophy of Ralph Waldo Emerson is self-reliance. And in this idea, Emerson teaches that people should trust their own thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. He believed that every individual has the ability or the capacity to think independently and should not always rely on the opinions of others. Emerson also emphasized that people should not depend too much on society's expectations or the pressures. Instead, individuals should develop confidence in themselves and must learn how to follow their own path. According to him, having self-confidence and independence can lead to personal growth, creativity, and a deeper understanding of one's self. Now, another concept in the philosophy of Ralph Waldo Emerson is the idea of nature. Emerson believed that nature plays a very important role in helping people understand life and spirituality. In his essay Nature, he explained that nature is not only something we see around us, but also it is a way for us humans to connect with the divine or a higher spiritual truth. According to Emerson, spending time in nature allows people to reflect on their lives, gain wisdom, and grow, specifically as individuals. He believed that humans and nature are deeply rooted or they're deeply connected, and by appreciating nature, people can better understand themselves and the world around them. Now, the last important concept in the philosophy of Ralph Waldo Emerson is the idea of the oversoul. In this concept, Emerson explains that all people share a universal spiritual connection. He believed that every individual is part of a greater spiritual unity that connects all humans. According to Emerson, this shared spirit allows people to understand deeper truths about life and existence. He also believed that through intuition, self-reflection, and inner awareness, individuals can connect with this universal spirit. This idea shows that Emerson's belief that spirituality is not only found in religion, but it can also be found in every person. So in conclusion, the philosophy of Ralph Waldo Emerson encourages individuals to seek truth, wisdom, and spiritual growth through their own experiences, intuition, and connection with nature, rather than just relying solely on traditional institutions or doctrines such as those found in Unitarianism. Emerson believed that every person has the ability to understand deeper truths by reflecting on themselves and the natural world. His idea emphasized self-reliance, individuality, and the belief that all people share a universal spiritual connection, often described in his concept of the oversoul. And through these ideas, Emerson continues to inspire people to think independently, appreciate nature, and pursue personal and spiritual development.